Every beginning starts quietly, but what matters most is where it leads.
When I gave the word, now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to
These are not just events we put together. They are created in purpose to deliver what everyone deserves.
listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. The minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand.
Umiikot po kami sa mga daycare centers to provide them pick-up bags.
Once you've gone, it was never alone. It's word that was when I ruled the world.
Every detail is planned. Every step is prepared. And every effort matters.
Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones.
And everything we do is for something greater than ourselves. It wasn't just an effort of one. It was a team's collaboration. Everyone contributes, and everyone deserves to be applauded, so that all our events and activities happen smoothly and successfully. Dito sa Pencab, we always make sure that you deserve everything. Kaya naman, tatak Pencab, tatak Westerner ako.